Room is a wireless, award-winning indoor air quality monitor that now supports Thread. Room monitors current temperature, humidity, and air quality on this high-contrast e-ink screen. There are 4 display options to choose from by pressing the left or right arrows, and it can be customized in the EVAP to show Celsius or Fahrenheit. Air quality is measured using a 5-star system, with 1 being poor and 5 being excellent.
The phones, tablets, and digital assistants in our smart homes still all speak different languages. Wouldn't it be great to change all that so all devices could talk to each other? That's precisely what Matter is about. A common language for your smart home, developed by Apple, Google, Amazon, CSA, Eve, and many others. Matter communicates over Wi-Fi, Thread, or proprietary bridges, but only Thread offers many unique advantages. Thread creates a mesh network, enabling devices to talk directly to each other for a smart home network that's reliable and reaches the farthest corners of your home. If one node fails, the next one fills in immediately. The network therefore becomes more resilient with every additional Thread accessory. Thread devices don't need a bridge. They only need a border router, such as a HomePod Mini. And if any devices are beyond the reach of the border router, Wall-powered devices, such as Eve Energy, connect to them and link them to your network. Thread was designed for maximum device responsiveness, regardless of the network's size and density. All devices are also extremely power efficient for significantly longer lasting battery life. Eve already has the largest selection of Thread-enabled accessories on the market, so you can enjoy all the benefits of Thread right now and look forward to upgrading to the new Matter standard soon. That's because Thread-enabled Eve accessories are already equipped to support Matter. The future of smart home has arrived.